Stop restarting the chat. That's the biggest time waster I see with everyday people using AI. If the answer is wrong, you don't start over, you redirect it. This time, I'm going to show you exactly what to say, one sentence, and you'll get better answers without throwing everything away. Welcome back to Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and common sense. I'm Tim Forrest. This channel is for everyday people who want AI to work the first time, without confusion and without tech talk. And if you're new here, AI doesn't think like we do. It follows the way we talk to it. So the fastest skill you can learn is correction in place. Here's what most people do. They ask AI for something. It gives a confident answer, but the answer is off, or it's too long, or it doesn't match what they meant. So they delete everything. They restart. They try a new question. Then they restart again and again and again. That's how you burn 30 minutes and end up mad at the computer. The truth is, most of the time, the AI is not broken. It's just going the wrong direction because you didn't steer it. So in this episode, I talk about one skill, redirecting AI mid-conversation. Not restarting, redirecting. This is the moment where you stop treating AI like a magic genie and you start treating it like a helper that needs clear instructions. And once you learn this, you'll feel in control. Here's the sentence you're going to use when AI misses. Stop. You're close, but that's not what I meant. Do it again using these rules. Exact rules. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. That's it. 3 parts. Stop. You're close, but not what I meant. Do it again using these rules. You don't need to be polite. You need to be clear. Why does that work? Because AI will keep going the direction you started, unless you tell it to change direction. That sentence is you grabbing the steering wheel. So I have a few examples for you. All right, the first one, let's do an everyday email fix. So say you ask the AI, write me an email to my insurance company. And AI gives you something that sounds like a lawyer wrote it. Too long, too stiff, doesn't sound like you. Don't restart. You say, stop. You're close, but that's not what I meant. Rewrite it using these exact rules. Keep it under 120 words. Use plain everyday language. Make it firm but respectful. End with one clear request. Now watch what happens. That same AI suddenly becomes useful because you didn't ask a new question, you gave better instructions. How about another example? Let's say you need some shopping decision support and you ask the AI, what's the best laptop for me? And AI gives you a list of 10 models, a bunch of specs, and you're thinking, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Don't restart. You say, stop. You're close, but that's not what I meant. Do it again using these exact rules. Ask me only 3 questions first, then recommend 3 options. Explain each option in one sentence. Keep it simple, no tech jargon. Now that becomes a salesperson that speaks your language. So, folks, here's the simple 3-step redirect formula you can keep forever. Redirect, tighten, confirm. Redirect. Stop, not what I meant. Tighten. Use these rules. Confirm. Now repeat back what you're going to do before you do it. That last part is powerful. As an example for the repeat back, let's say to the AI, before you answer, Repeat my rules back to me in one sentence. Now you can catch mistakes before they waste your time. This is how you stop fighting the tool and start using it. Let me save you some common mistakes, headaches, too. Mistake number one, you restart too fast. Most answers are one redirect away from being perfect. Mistake number two, you add 10 rules. Keep it 3 or 4 max. Mistake number three, you apologize for correcting it. Don't do that. You're the boss. AI is a machine. Now, listen, if you want a simple step by step way to do this every time without guessing what rules to use, that's exactly why we built Fix Your AI Inputs in 30 Minutes. Stop AI from guessing, get usable answers immediately. It gives you the exact wording to use, the exact rules list templates, and the exact follow up line that forces AI to stay on track. No hype, just a repeatable method. The link is in the pinned comment. You know where to find that. So here's your takeaway: stop restarting the chat, redirect it. Stop, you're close, but that's not what I meant. Do it again using these exact rules. That one sentence will save you time, reduce frustration, and make AI feel like it finally works. I'm Mr. Tim, and this is Professor T. See you in the next one.